Welcome back to another video from Altitude University. I'm David, and in this video, we are going to discuss how to create engaging content for social media. I've seen social media come a long way from the days of MySpace in the early 2000s to Facebook's dominance with over 3 billion monthly average users. In that time, the one constant has been the need for quality content. Stick around, and we'll show you how to get the most out of your drone footage for posting on social media. Before we begin, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so we can continue to provide you with more drone-related content. Drones continue to get better and better every year. There was a time when capturing great aerial footage required a seasoned photographer with a deep understanding of ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. Nowadays, cameras on drones do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. There's still a need to learn your craft as a photographer, but drones make it easy for anyone to get started. What better place to showcase your images and videos than social media? In the realm of social media, drone footage can provide a mesmerizing perspective that captivates audiences and sets content apart. However, creating truly engaging drone content requires more than just flying a drone and capturing aerial views. It involves thoughtful planning, creative storytelling, and technical finesse. In this video, we are going to provide some tips for producing drone footage that not only attracts, but also retains audience engagement on social media platforms. First, you must understand your audience. The first step in crafting engaging drone content is to understand your target audience. What are their interests, and what kind of content resonates with them? Whether it's breathtaking landscapes, urban architecture, or action-packed scenes, knowing your audience preferences will guide the focus of your content. Tailoring your footage to match these interests ensures that the content strikes a chord with viewers. Number 2, planning and storyboarding. Before taking to the skies, thorough planning is essential. Scout your location ahead of time to identify potential shooting angles and challenges. Consider the narrative you want to weave through your footage. A storyboard can help pre-visualize the sequences of shots, ensuring a coherent story flow that enhances the viewer's experience. This planning phase is crucial for creating content that is both visually and narratively compelling. It doesn't need to be worthy of a Hollywood studio. A few notes on a scrap of paper can make a big difference in the content you produce. Next is mastering the technical aspects. To produce high-quality drone content, mastering technical aspects like camera settings, flight patterns, and timing is imperative. Yes, your drone has auto settings that can do a lot of this for you, but learn to capture the content without the auto functions. Adjust settings such as ISO, shutter speed, and aperture to suit the lighting conditions and desired aesthetic. Practice smooth and controlled flight maneuvers to capture steady cinematic shots. Timing is also key. For instance, the golden hour provides soft, flattering light that can dramatically enhance your footage. Number 4, emphasize unique perspectives and angles. Drone footage is renowned for its ability to provide unique perspectives. Capitalize on this by exploring angles and vantage points that are impossible to achieve with traditional cameras. Top-down shots, fly-throughs, and close proximity flights can reveal patterns, textures, and details that offer a new dimension to the narrative, making the content more engaging and visually striking. Number 5, incorporate dynamic movement. Dynamic movement adds excitement and energy to drone footage. Mix slow, sweeping shots with faster-paced sequences to create a rhythm that keeps viewers engaged. Use movement like orbiting, tracking, or dollying to introduce a variety and maintain visual interest throughout the video. 6, crafting a compelling narrative. Storytelling is at the heart of engaging content. Your drone footage should tell a story, convey an emotion, or present a theme. Consider how each shot contributes to the overall narrative you're using the footage to build. The storyline needs to captivate viewers. The narrative should be clear enough to be understood even without dialogue or text, making the visuals powerful and self-sufficient. Number 7, editing for impact. The post-production process is where your footage comes to life. Editing is not just about cutting and joining clips. It's about pacing, rhythm, and use of music and sound effects to enhance the storytelling. Use color grading to set the mood and atmosphere of the video. Be mindful of the video length. Social media content often performs better when it's concise and to the point. Number 8, engaging with your audience. Once your content is live, engagement becomes key. Use social media platforms to interact with your viewers, respond to comments, and encourage discussion. This not only helps in building a community around your content, but it also provides insights into what your audience enjoys and how you can improve in the future. 9. Stay updated with trends and technology. The drone and social media landscapes are constantly evolving. Staying updated with the latest trends, technological advancements, and social media algorithms can help in adapting your content strategy to remain relevant and engaging. Creating engaging drone content for social media requires a blend of artistic vision, technical skills, and strategic planning. By understanding your audience, planning meticulously, mastering the techniques, and crafting a compelling narrative, you can produce drone footage that not only captivates attention, but also leaves a lasting impression. Remember, the goal is not just to showcase stunning aerial views, but to tell stories that resonate, inspire, and encourage your social media audience. Thanks for watching today's video. From all of us at Altitude University, stay safe out there and happy flying.